Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make all text in small letters. We can see in this document every letter is capital. So to make smaller, every letter, so click here. This double A, change case. And here just you have to select lowercase. All in your document text will be in lowercase. So this way you can make lowercase for all letters. Thanks for watching.